Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Hey everybody, hope you had a good week this week looking at SPY on the daily time frame. So the reaction to the non-farm payroll number this morning set the stage, and the bull saw a ton of strength. We saw a gap up open, and we closed up near the high of the day. Pennies away from the all-time high, 229.71. We got up 16 cents shy of that level and closing just below the upper Bollinger Band. So after 4 days of the week, testing that middle Bollinger Band, holding it with the bulls buying every dip, we now see that follow through back to the upside. A lot of people are looking at this little island up here, and an island is when you have a gap up, some price action, and then a gap down where the price is pretty much separated away from the rest of the chart. That is a reversal pattern. It's either a bearish reversal at the top of an uptrend or a bullish reversal at the bottom of a downtrend. But at this point, the fact that we filled this gap back to the upside and we're on the brink of a new all-time high, I'm disregarding that pattern as a bearish reversal pattern. Would have need to have seen a loss of that middle Bollinger Band and a break of this higher low pattern in order for that to have played out. So we don't have a new all-time high yet, but we're right there knocking on the door as we head into next week. The weekly time frame is an inside candlestick, but we're much closer to a bullish break than we are to a bearish break. And if we get a new all-time high, we're looking up at 230 as the next psychological resistance level. Shorter term time frames on SPY, there's your reaction to the non-farm payroll numbers, and it was nothing but upside until the open. We consolidated right out of the gate, but look at that 20 period 5-minute moving average support holding, and on a gap up, you always want that 20 period to hold to let you know that it's unlikely that we see profit taking out of the gate and a gap and trap scenario. If you hold that 20 period 5-minute, it shows the bulls are in control. So we bounced off that level, new high of the day, higher lows and higher highs. And then if you were using that as your guide on a bull trade, you would have exited here at about the low 229s and before noon. And then we just traded sideways for pretty much 3-4 hours. And there was a point in time where we traded 2.5 hours in about a 27-cent range, I believe. So it was extremely tight with not a lot of trading opportunity, and any options would have just seen time decay as we got closer and closer to the close. So we didn't really lose the higher low pattern at any point. Or I shouldn't say at any point, because right here we did break it before the bull showed up at the end of the day. But as you can see, it's very sideways, not much profit taking at all. And you look at the hourly time frame, and it's normal healthy consolidation, still very strong, holding the exponential support to the upside, and the RSI was above 70 the entire day due to the momentum from pre-market and that reaction to the report, and we are on the brink of an all-time high. So we will check back in next week. Very certainly more likely than not that we do get a new all-time high. And we will see you next week. Thanks for watching.